I want to ask you people a question. I saw how the House of Lep sent message to Canada that they should persecute and arrest this woman. Ohanes and Igbo have stood up, condemned what this woman said. Though I myself, I'm not in support of what this woman said, because the Bible said thou shalt not kill. I'm not in support of that. Now, the question I want to ask, who are the people started this battle? Who are the people who started this fight? Tribalism. Who are the people started this? It's yorubas. Edo people and the Igbo people don't get any trouble. Edo and Igbo, they don't get any trouble at all. So I don't understand what is happening between Edo and the Igbo people. Yorubas started this thing. We give Igbos 1 week. We give Igbos 2 weeks. They should come out from Lagos. All the lands Igbos bought in Lagos, all their house, all the Igbos property, Igbo will leave it and go. And we Yorubas will take it. You people started this battle. You people carry fuel, they put for fire. What do you people expect? All these Yorubas that are threatening Igbos, persecuting them, maltreating them, saying that Igbo will leave all their property they bought in Lagos, they will leave it and go, and we Yorubas will take it. Can you imagine? What kind of statement is that? And the House of Lep, all of them kept quiet. No one of them condemned this. They don't even stand up, condemn that. All of them pretend that they don't know what is happening in Lagos. Now look at the result of all those tribalism. Look at the result of it. I said it before that our leaders, they are the people that started this tribal war, this tribalism. They are the people that started it. Look at how everybody now are condemning this woman. Me, I'm not in support of what she said. Everybody now are condemning the woman. Ohanes and Igbo don't send message, condemn what the woman said, which is good. But how many Yorubas elders, how many of them, Yoruba elders, how many of them have stood up to condemn what the Yorubas are doing to Igbos in Lagos? All of them kept quiet. Do you see what the result of all these things they are doing? Born to rule, born to serve. Tribalism is too much in Nigeria. And I said it before, that I don't know why Britain joined this country called Nigeria together. I don't know why. I don't know why they joined this country called Nigeria together. No peace, no one love. Look at now all the Yorubas now, all of them now saying persecute this man, arrest this man must arrest. All of them, all of you that are accusing this woman, all those things that your brothers are doing to Igbos in Lagos, how many of you they condemn them? Don't you know that those things that your brothers, your sisters are doing to Igbos in Lagos, they are putting fuel in fire, they are causing trouble, they want to bring trouble that they cannot even control when it will start. Look at what this woman said. Our leaders, they are the support, they are the cause of all this trouble. Because if Nigerian politicians, they say the truth, if anybody bring all this tribalism case or trouble, they will arrest that person. You see how this tribalism will end. During the presidential election, when I see how they are threatening Igbos in Lagos, and the Nigerian government, all of them no even talk anything. They keep quiet. They kept quiet because now them be the headmaster of tribalism. You people see how they are threatening Igbos in Lagos? If you want to vote for Peter Obi, come out from Lagos. If you are not voting for Tinubu, better you come out from Lagos. They are saying all those things, maltreating Igbos, persecuting them, and all our leaders, all of them, pretend that they don't know what is happening. Look at the result of all these things. Look at what this woman said. Because it gets some people who don't know how to talk. If they want talk, then go talk. In fact, bad thing go to come out from their mouth. Look at the result of all those things. If you say that our leaders, they are doing what they're supposed to do, and they are not practicing tribalism, this kind of thing will not be happening. You know that my live video, not the waste time, highest in next 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I will end up. But I'm here to tell you that the cause of this trouble is our politicians and the yorubas. Edo people don't get trouble. Edo people know they practice tribalism. I don't know how this thing started with Edo people. Edo people know they practice tribalism. Edo people know they practice tribalism. Edo people don't get time for tribalism. So I don't know how this thing started. I don't know how the Edo people they involved for this issue of tribalism. Igbos and Edo people they like this. They're like this. So I don't know how this thing come out with Edo people. I don't know. But now Yoruba people, now them be the headmaster. Now them be the people that are causing this trouble. Now Yoruba people, now them started this fight. Now Yoruba people started this fight. Now them started. Go and watch my previous video. You will see that pastor. I have spoke about it how many times. You will see what the pastor said in public. They meet him that his village people are doing against Igbos. That Igbos has bought all the places in Lagos. They are doing meeting how they will collect those things back from Igbos. Do you see? And the pastor kept on and say it. How many house of Plea condemn that? All of them keep quiet. You know, people, wanna start this nonsense. I'm not in support of what this man said. Yes, I'm Igbo guy. Yes, I'm not in support of what this man said. No matter all these things that you Yorubas are doing to Igbos in Lagos, I'm not in support of what this man said. But Yoruba people, I will say the truth. No one be the problem of this thing. No one started this thing. Because when I think, no one be born to lose. That Britain give you a power. Now you people on the outside and the front, you go to lose Nigeria. Others now born to serve. Our leaders started this battle. Tribalism. Let me stop this message here. I'm not wasting of time here. But I pray that God Almighty will bring peace. Because as for me, I'm not for war, for trouble. I pray that God will give all these Yoruba and the Igbo people and all these people that are practicing tribalism, God will give them wisdom. They will know that this thing is what the British planted in their mind. Igbo must leave Lagos. They must leave Lagos. All the land they bought, they will leave it. We take it. And the Nigerian government, everybody keeping quiet. They don't even talk anything. When they start fight, when they carry fire, they put for fire. Now look at what this man said. I don't know what will be the next. I don't know what, maybe in tomorrow now, another Yoruba person will stand up now to talk his own. In next tomorrow, Edo people will talk. To the other time, maybe the thing will enter, Hausa people will start now. Even Fulani people may start. Tribalism. Who started this thing? Now Yoruba people started this thing. Look at Ohanes and Igbos stood up, condemn what this woman said, to show you that they are not in support of this thing. How many Yoruba's elders has rose up, condemn what their people are doing to Igbos in Lagos? All of them kept quiet. Do you see it? One Nigeria go punish all of you one by one. That is why I'm not in support of this one Nigeria, because I'm not seeing anything called one Nigeria in this place. Why they are threatening this woman now? Why they are doing all those things now? House of Love don't send message. All of them are rising up because this woman is an Igbo woman. If you say this woman Yoruba, you will not see this thing on news. Everything will just die like that. If you say this woman Hausa person now, you see how everything will die like that. Now because one of Igbo woman don't talk. Hey, look at what this Igbo woman say. He said you could poison Yorubas and the Edo people. All of them, everybody. But all these threatening people, all these things that are threatening Igbos in Lagos, everybody are keeping quiet. Though I'm not in support of what the woman said. Yoruba people, I'm the one that's saying it. Please, you people should stop this tribalism. If you people are tired of Igbos in Lagos, If Igbo man won't buy land in Lagos, make una no sell that land to him or her. I dey beg Yoruba people, if una no need Igbos in Lagos again, if any Igbo man or woman won't buy land in Lagos, even though if that Igbo man carry 200 million naira come, or 500 million naira, or 1 billion naira, make una no collect that money. Make una tell them, Oga, take your money. We don't need Igbo in Lagos again. Make una start from that place. Make una start from that place, Yorubas. Yoruba people, make una start from that place. Any Igbo man or Igbo woman that want to buy land, make una no say that land for that person. Yes, if una start from that place, Igbo go no say you people don't decide us. Yes, make una start from that place. I will land this message up here. I pray that God will show us mercy in this country. I pray that God will show us mercy in this country. And all this tribalism, I pray that God will help us. Let this tribalism stop. I don't even like it because I have some friends in Yorubas. I have some people I love in Yorubas. Even Edo people. I don't even understand what kind of tribalism is this. May God have mercy. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure that you help me to share this message.